I really liked these 7 days here because they took my mind and opened it up with a key, so I could really understand how much more is to vision and eyes and seeing. And this is something I couldn't imagine before. Even though I heard stories of people doing it, it was impossible to understand until suddenly you could start making some small progress and start doing it yourself. It's really out of this world experience to do. I woke up actually one day thinking the day before was a dream, and that's something you don't do very often. And then when I woke up, I tried to do the things we learned the day before, and it was still possible. So I knew it wasn't a dream, and still every now and then I go around and thinking this might be a dream, but then again I can do it, so it's not a dream. Every friend that I could think of should experience this. If everyone knew the things we knew and understand here, then I think everyone would be more clear in their head and open towards every problem that exists in the world, because with this understanding you are more open to solutions. It was one of the best ideas to come here, without a doubt. Yeah. So yeah, I've been looking forward to it since I knew that it was going to be arranged. I thought about it almost every single day, and it fulfilled all the expectations with a great margin. So yeah, I'm really happy to be here.